This is a 5-car garage. If you saw some of the previous videos that I shot, I talked a little bit about the radiant that we were prepping for, but the concrete planks, you can see the really coarse surface of the concrete planks that were flown in here by crane and set. And the reason for that coarse surface is that we're eventually going to pour a topping slab. And you can see we have a bunch of the Acme threaded rods that come out from the superior wall there. You can also see them over here. You get a really good gist of that. And basically those will get poured into this topping slab. And the topping slab will have a whole series of reinforcement cage that ties into those Acme rods. So basically from across the garage to this wall, that reinforcing cage and that slab will keep the top of these walls nice and plumb and keep them from wanting to kick out, right? Basically finishing that system here. And that's the reason for the coarseness too. It gives us a little bit of bite on that topping slab. The topping slab will probably go from about 6 or 7 inches down to about 4 at the door there. And then at the door, you see it basically falls off. This will actually get formed up on the outside here, and that topping slab will actually turn the corner and go down on top of the wall system there and finish out for that door system. Back here, we have our stairwell. And so this was again formed by Superior Wall. We have our stairs down here. This takes us to the workshop, which is basically the same footprint as the garage below us, but it gives us the ability to interact with that workshop without having to go outside or go through the house to get downstairs. We have that secondary stairway there. On the front here, I said it was a 5-car garage. We have it set up so that we have a 16-foot by 9-foot door there. We have I think this is about a 10 by 11-foot door, and then another 16 by 9-foot door there. So basically we have our 5 bays, 2-1-2. We actually opted for the middle one for aesthetic purposes on the outside, but also because we had that 2-1-2 to make this one a little different. We made this one a little bit taller than the other ones, and that allows us to get some larger vehicles in here, or pull in, say, a Suburban with a ski rack or something on top, a ladder rack. You can get that in here. Now, one of the other things to notice is, that for the first 2 bays, we have our flat cord truss system, and then we move to the scissor truss. Now, 2 reasons we moved to the scissor truss. One, we have the higher door here, so we want to be able to get in here and be able to park that there. But more importantly, over here in bay 5, we have that scissor truss going all the way up, because these planks were actually designed to put an automotive lift. So the homeowner is somewhat of an automotive hobbyist. So we have a automotive lift that's going to go in here, and we'll be able to lift the car or truck up into that volume ceiling and be able to get underneath it here and do their automotive work. So quick tour. You can see the white lines there. That is just a really quick layout that the homeowner threw down so you can get a quick understanding of how many lines of radiant tubing are going into here, and kind of get that coordinated with the mechanical contractor. So you get a really quick visual on how all of that is going to happen. Over on this side here, we have our access into the house. So we'll have our couple steps down that get us up into the house. But yeah, that's our 5-car garage out here at our off-site build project. I'm Steve Baczek, architect. Until next time, long live our buildings.